In this video, I'll guide you on how to earn $5 every minute by simply typing words, making it one of the simplest methods to generate income online. We're about to delve into the details. This is your guide to making money online by typing words. Interestingly, only a small fraction of my video viewers are subscribed. So, if you find this video valuable, consider subscribing with notifications turned on. It's free, and you can always opt out later. This way, you'll be notified whenever I share a new strategy to earn money online, allowing you to be among the first to utilize it and maximize your earnings. Imagine typing words while enjoying your favorite coffee and earning up to $300 per hour. The key is to do it correctly, but if you're not in the mood for typing, you have the option to copy and paste. Continue watching as I demonstrate exactly how it works. Moreover, registering on this website is completely free. You don't need to make any upfront payments, and no writing experience is required. You can do this on your smartphone or computer, regardless of whether you're an Android or iOS user. You can do this from anywhere in the world. Before I explain how you can do this, please comment below with your country. This way, I'll know where you're from and ensure that all my future videos are relevant to you. So, please mention your country in the comments below. Remember, I'll be sharing special bonus tips that could help you earn double or even triple the money compared to others, so make sure to stick around and watch until the end. Now, let's get back to the video. The first step is to visit typingtest.com, where you can take a 60-second typing test. Once you're on the site, click on Typing Tests, and you'll be directed to a page where you can check your typing skills in a minute and join over 150 million test takers. You can choose a test duration between 1 to 10 minutes and select text sentences or words. I recommend logging in and selecting the 1-minute test and medium text options. The best part is, you can do this conveniently on your smartphone. You can start typing by clicking on Start Test. They have a timer for 1 minute and they'll measure your typing speed. For instance, if I start typing certain words, the timer will start and they'll show me my typing speed. If you go back to the home page and click on Typing Courses, they offer free training to help you type faster. The reason being, in this video, I'll introduce you to a few websites where you can earn money just by typing. The faster you type, the more money you make. Now, I'm going to introduce those websites where you can earn money online by simply typing. The first website on our list offers $1.25 per minute. Let's break down the potential earnings with an online calculator. With a rate of $1.25 per minute, you can earn $75 in an hour of typing. If you type for 3 hours, that's $125, and for 5 hours, you could make up to $375. This is a unique opportunity offered by a reputable website, rev.com, trusted by over 170,000 people worldwide. On their homepage, you'll see that transcription and captions are priced at $1.25 per minute, while foreign subtitles range from $3 to $7 per minute. This could be a great advantage if you're from a non-English speaking country. For instance, if you're from India and there's a need for Hindi subtitles, you could translate videos from English to Hindi or vice versa. This could significantly increase your earnings. On average, you could make about $5 per minute, which equates to $300 per hour by simply translating videos to foreign subtitles. If you're a beginner or don't speak a foreign language, starting with video transcription could be a good idea. At $1.25 per minute, it's a decent pay. On the rev.com website, you'll find a section for freelancers where you can see various job opportunities. The work schedule is flexible, allowing you to choose from hundreds of jobs and get paid on a weekly basis. If you're enjoying this video, which I've put a lot of effort into, I'd appreciate it if you could hit the like button and subscribe with notifications on. If this video gets 2,000 likes, I'll release a new video next week showing you how to make even more money online from the comfort of your home. Moving on. The second website on our list is Transcribeme.com, which you can join for free. On their homepage, you'll find several career opportunities. You can earn money online by typing, such as transcription or translation. I recommend focusing on transcription as it pays the most. They offer the industry's best rates, with earnings starting at $15 to $22 per audio hour and the top monthly earning of $2,200. Let's do the math again. At $22 per audio hour, if you work for 5 hours, you can earn $110. However, this is less than what Rev.com offers. So, I suggest spending some time and joining Rev.com as it's a better option. But if you want to diversify your income streams, you can join both Rev.com and Transcribeme.com. To join Transcribeme.com, simply click on Get Started. The website is mobile and computer-friendly, and they offer very flexible work hours, allowing you to work at your own pace. The great thing about this opportunity is that they provide you with short clips of only 2 for minutes, making the task manageable and not at all time-consuming. Just think, if you spend half an hour or even an hour transcribing, you could earn a substantial amount. To get started, you need to enter your first name, last name, and email address. Make sure to use a valid email, as you'll receive a confirmation link for account activation. Next, you can create and confirm your password. After that, provide your PayPal account details where they can send your earnings. It's important to regularly check your email, as they will send you verification details about your typing speed. Sometimes, they might ask you about your typing speed. This is where typingtest.com comes in handy. You can take a typing test on this website to determine your typing speed in words per minute. Once you've taken the test, you'll see your results immediately. All you need to do is take a screenshot of the result and send it to them via email. This is your typing speed, and by enrolling in some typing courses on this website, you can improve or even double it, leading to more job opportunities.